Hi everyone, it's week 10 in our quilted block series for our larger designs. Can you believe we're already at week 10? I'm really getting excited about sharing with you how I'm going to place my blocks together. So be looking, it's coming. I'm going to have a tutorial to share with you on how my process works when I place all of my blocks together. You can head over to my website to download this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description and another tutorial just in case you might want to watch it for a refresher course on how to put this block together. Enjoy!